Hey guys, yeah, if you have a kid under the age of 18, better take a look at that bank account because there's a good chance you suddenly have some money sitting in there this morning, $250, maybe even more, depending on how many kids you have.
Let us mark this day, Thursday, July 15th, 2021, as the day the American family got so much stronger.
Yeah, Vice President Kamala Harris and President Joe Biden making the child tax credit announcement this morning. Parents have had tax credits for children before. Those credits come at the end of the year when you're filling out your taxes. This is in addition to that, and you're now getting them early on a per monthly basis. If you make less than $75,000 as a single parent or less than $150,000 as a couple, you could get $300 per child if they're under the age of 6. If they're over 6, it's $250 per child, so about $50 less. If you make more than $75,000 a year, you still likely qualify for something, just not as much. These new credits come at a time when a recent census revealed California's population declined last year for the first time since 1900. Part of the reason could be the rising cost of having children. Parents we spoke to today say this makes a big difference.
It's almost pointless for the wife to get a job because you have to pay for daycare, and what do you come out with at the end of like crunching those numbers? I don't know, because I don't know if so I guess the $300 would be definitely helpful in that situation.
I mean, that puts food on the table, gas in the car. Actually just went to the zoo and bought an annual pass.
Yeah, and this new tax credit, it is temporary, but there is a push right now, a new legislative push by Democrats to make this more of a permanent thing moving forward. Andrew, Maria?
All right, Jeff, so as a matter of clarification, people already get a tax credit at the end of the year when they file their taxes. This is just an increased amount, but also now it's coming monthly. But for the first time, the IRS is giving people the chance basically to decide when they get it. So they can either get it monthly as it's coming now naturally, they can get it all in a lump sum up front, or they can just get it when they file their taxes. Can you tell us a little bit more about that? Maybe what some of the parents you talk to either know about that or choosing to do?
They have an option.
Yeah, you bet. Well, and typically you see about a $2,000 deduction at the end of the year. This is $3,600 total. So you're going to see an increase no matter what than just the normal deduction that you would get in the past. And you're right, there is two different options. Your default is that you get these $300 or $250 checks per month. That is what you are defaulted into. If you want it at the end of the year instead, you can, but you have to go onto a federal website and opt into that. And part of the reason why you might want to do that, Andrew, Maria, maybe your financial situation changes. Maybe you make under $75,000 last year, which is what all the taxes that you recently filled out. Maybe you made $75,000 last year, and that's what the tax credit is that you're getting this year is based off of. But this year, maybe you make $90,000, and so you won't qualify for that full $300, but maybe $200 instead. So you might be spending money this year in that tax credit that you won't really get at the end of the year. So depending on what your financial situation is, if you're making more money this year, you might be better off waiting till the end of the year to get it. But your default is that $300 per child or $250 per child. If you want to change that, you got to go out of your way to make that happen.
All right.
Yes.
Jeff McAdam breaking it all down for us. We appreciate you. Thank you.